Are you making these common makeup mistakes that could be sabotaging your look? In this video, we'll uncover the top 5 makeup mishaps and show you how to fix them for a flawless finish. But first, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to NutriZlab for more reviews and health tips. And don't forget to check out our website, linked in the description below, for detailed product reviews, a wide range of health and beauty articles, and essential health tips tailored just for you. Mistake number 1, the foundation fiasco. One of the most common makeup mistakes is not prepping your skin before applying foundation. Skipping this step can lead to a patchy and uneven complexion. To avoid this, start with a clean, moisturized face and use a primer suited to your skin type. Another foundation faux pas is choosing the wrong shade. Always test foundation on your jawline in natural light to ensure it matches your skin tone perfectly. Additionally, selecting a foundation formula that doesn't suit your skin type can cause issues. For example, using a matte foundation on dry skin can accentuate dryness. Choose a formula that complements your skin's needs. Mistake number 2, the powder problem. Applying too much powder can make your skin look cakey and unnatural. To prevent this, use a light hand and focus on areas that tend to get oily. Using the wrong type of powder is another common mistake. For instance, using a tinted powder over foundation can alter your foundation's color. Opt for a translucent setting powder instead. Uneven powder application can also be an issue. Ensure you're using a fluffy brush and blending well for a seamless finish. Mistake 3, the eyeliner error. Applying eyeliner too heavily on the lower lash line can make your eyes appear smaller and can look harsh. Instead, apply a thin line on the upper lash line to enhance your eyes. Using an eyeliner formula that doesn't suit your desired look can also be problematic. For a precise line, use a liquid liner. For a softer look, opt for a pencil. Not blending your eyeliner can result in a stark, unnatural appearance. Use a smudging tool or a cotton swab to soften the line for a more natural effect. Mistake number 4, the blush blunder. Applying blush incorrectly can throw off the balance of your face. Placing blush too low can drag down your features, while applying too much can make you look overly flushed. Smile and apply blush to the apples of your cheeks, blending upwards for a natural glow. Choosing a blush color that doesn't complement your skin tone is another common mistake. Fair skin tones suit pinks and peaches, medium tones can pull off mauves and apricots, and deeper tones look great in plums and berries. Mistake number 5, the mascara mishap. Pumping the mascara wand in and out of the tube introduces air, which can dry out the product and lead to clumpy application. Instead, swirl the wand inside the tube to pick up product. Applying too many coats can also cause clumping. 2 to 3 coats are usually sufficient for a full, voluminous look. Not replacing your mascara regularly can lead to eye infections. It's best to replace mascara every 3 months to ensure it's fresh and safe to use. By avoiding these common makeup mistakes, you can achieve a flawless look that enhances your natural beauty. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't be discouraged if it takes a little time to master these techniques. For more beauty tips and product reviews, visit our website linked in the description below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel NutriZlab, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thank you for watching.